Hey guys, Dr. Mike here, and did you know that 1 in 3 people will be diagnosed with cancer in their lifetime? That's a staggering statistic. While there are many factors that contribute to cancer, what you eat plays a crucial role. We all know that fruits, vegetables, and a balanced diet are important for overall health. But did you know that certain foods can actually fuel the growth of cancer cells? In this video, we're going to dive deep into the science behind cancer-promoting foods and reveal the worst offenders lurking in your pantry and refrigerator. Stay tuned, because this information could literally save your life. It's no secret that we're facing a global health crisis. The world is grappling with an unprecedented surge in chronic diseases, and the impact is being felt in every corner of the globe. Chronic diseases like cancer, heart disease, and diabetes are on the rise, and one of the biggest culprits is our modern diet. Fast food, sugary snacks, and processed meals have become staples in our daily lives, often replacing more nutritious options. While genetics play a role, lifestyle choices, especially what we eat, have a significant impact on our risk of developing these diseases. It's not just about the calories we consume, but the quality of those calories. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can make a world of difference. Think of your body as a complex machine. Every part needs to work in harmony for optimal performance. Just as a machine requires regular maintenance and high-quality parts, our bodies need proper nutrition and care. To function optimally, it needs the right fuel. This means not only eating the right foods, but also staying hydrated and maintaining a balanced diet. Just like putting low-quality gasoline in a high-performance car can lead to engine problems, consuming a diet rich in processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats can wreak havoc on your body's internal systems. Over time, this can lead to chronic inflammation, insulin resistance, and other metabolic issues. This is where the connection between diet and cancer becomes particularly alarming. The foods we eat can either protect us from or predispose us to cancer. Research has shown that certain foods can actually create an environment in your body where cancer cells thrive. For instance, diets high in red and processed meats have been linked to an increased risk of colorectal cancer. These foods often contain compounds that promote inflammation, damage DNA, and fuel tumor growth. Inflammation is a key player in the development of many cancers, and our diet can either exacerbate or mitigate this process. The good news is that by becoming aware of these foods and making informed choices, you can significantly reduce your risk. Incorporating more plant-based foods, reducing red meat consumption, and avoiding processed foods can have a profound impact on your health. In the following chapters, we'll explore some of the worst offenders and provide practical tips on how to avoid them. We'll also delve into the science behind these dietary recommendations and offer strategies for making healthier choices in your everyday life. Let's dive right into the heart of the matter and expose some of the top offenders when it comes to cancer-promoting foods. Understanding what we consume daily is crucial in our fight against cancer. By identifying these harmful foods, we can make better choices for our health and well-being. First on our list is processed meats. We're talking about bacon, sausage, hot dogs, and deli meats. These are not just any meats. They're often packed with preservatives and additives that can be harmful over time. These processed meats contain preservatives like nitrates and nitrites, which have been linked to an increased risk of colorectal cancer. Studies have shown that regular consumption of these meats can significantly elevate your cancer risk. Next up are sugary drinks. These include a wide range of beverages that many of us consume daily. Soda, fruit juices, and sweetened beverages might seem harmless, but they're loaded with sugar, which feeds cancer cells and promotes inflammation. High sugar intake has been linked to obesity, diabetes, and other health issues that can create a conducive environment for cancer to thrive. We also have to talk about refined grains. These are commonly found in many of our staple foods. White bread, white rice, and pasta made from refined flour lack fiber and nutrients, and they can spike your blood sugar levels, creating an environment that's favorable for cancer cell growth. Consistently high blood sugar levels can lead to insulin resistance, which is another risk factor for cancer. And let's not forget about fried and charred foods. Those crispy French fries and grilled meats might be tempting, but the high heat cooking process creates harmful compounds like acrylamide, which has been linked to cancer. The charred parts of grilled meats contain heterocyclic amines, HCAs. and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, PAHs, both of which are known carcinogens. These are just a few examples of foods that can fuel cancer growth. And we'll be discussing more throughout this video. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the science behind these foods and explore healthier alternatives that can help reduce your cancer risk. Now, I want to talk about a food that might surprise you. A food often marketed as healthy but can actually be harmful when it comes to cancer risk. We're talking about certain types of conventionally raised red meat. I know red meat can be a good source of protein and iron. But here's the catch. The way most cattle are raised these days involves feeding them hormones and antibiotics, which can end up in your meat. Studies have shown a link between high consumption of red meat and an increased risk of certain cancers, particularly colorectal cancer. This doesn't mean you have to give up red meat entirely, but it's important to choose your sources wisely. Opt for grass-fed organic meat whenever possible, as it's lower in those harmful hormones and antibiotics. And remember, moderation is key. By now, you're probably starting to see the bigger picture here. It's not just about what you eat, but how those choices affect your overall well-being. The foods we choose to eat every day have a profound impact on our health, influencing everything from our energy levels to our risk of chronic diseases, including our risk of developing cancer. Studies have shown that certain foods can either increase or decrease this risk. So what can you do about it? How can you take control of your health through your diet? The good news is that you have the power to make a difference. Every small, positive change you make can lead to significant health benefits over time. Small changes to your diet can have a big impact on your overall health. Start by planning your meals and being mindful of what you put into your body. Begin by reducing your intake of processed meats, sugary drinks, refined grains, and fried foods. These items are often high in unhealthy fats, sugars, and additives. Instead, focus on incorporating more whole, unprocessed foods into your diet. These foods are packed with essential nutrients that your body needs to function optimally. Think fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These should be the staples of your diet. And when it comes to red meat, choose grass-fed and organic options whenever possible. These options are often lower in harmful fats and higher in beneficial nutrients. Enjoy red meat in moderation. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know about what you're eating, the better choices you can make. By being aware of the foods that can fuel cancer growth, you can take proactive steps to protect your health. Make informed choices that not only satisfy your taste buds, but also nourish your body and safeguard your future well-being. We've covered a lot of ground today, and I hope you found this information valuable. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on the link between diet and cancer? Have you made any changes to your eating habits to reduce your risk? Share your experiences and insights in the comments below. Let's create a supportive community where we can learn from each other and inspire healthier choices. And if you're looking for more information on cancer prevention and healthy eating, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Guys, we're constantly bombarded with information about what to eat and what not to eat every single day. It can get overwhelming, right? Absolutely. But the link between diet and cancer is something we can't afford to ignore. Remember, knowledge is power, folks. The more you know about how certain foods can impact your health, the better equipped you are to make informed choices that protect your well-being. Stay informed, stay curious, and most importantly, stay healthy and happy.